Mathematical equations. Triangle. Lateral surface area of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3AH. A means A side. Second, lateral surface area of a triangle is equal to base perimeter into H. That is A plus B plus C into H. Next, base perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C, or lateral surface area divided by height. Next, area of a triangle with different side measures is equal to Heron's formula. That is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S is equal to half perimeter, or total of 3 sides divided by 2. Next, area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Next, volume of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square H. Next, equilateral triangle height is equal to lateral surface area divided by base area. Next, base area of right angled triangle is equal to half BH. Next, lateral surface area of a right angled triangle is equal to length of its hypotenuse.